Hey guys, it's Ri and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is 3 March bullet journal weekly spread ideas, and I'm keeping this month's green minimalistic clover leaf theme for some of these, so let's head on into the video. For this first weekly spread, I'm starting off by drawing a mini monthly calendar at the top left. And I'm keeping the rest pretty simple by just highlighting the headings with a green Crayola super tip marker. For this next spread, I'm drawing the title up top, and for each of the days, I'm putting them in a little box with a drop shadow. And I have a little 4-leaf clover bundle at the bottom for St. Patrick's Day. For this final spread, I'm drawing a line across, and then I'm going to divide the line into individual boxes for about 3 days per box, and Saturday and Sunday are a little smaller. Alright guys, here's the final flip through of the 3 spreads. I can't believe we're already almost halfway through March. I feel like this year is already flying by so fast, and I just hope that some of these spread ideas really helps you guys out for your March bullet journals. And if you have any ideas you want me to do in April, make sure to let me know in the comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!